guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. Before we get started, I want everybody who's new, go ahead and click that subscribe button, of course. Welcome to the team. Click the bell. Make sure you get my notifications on. It would definitely mean so much to me if you press that subscribe button and support me on my YouTube journey. Today's video, I will be doing an unboxing. I'm saying it twice because I couldn't help it and I opened it. I mean, everybody knows what Juvia's place is. I got a palette and I want to play with it. This is my first palette that I got with him, so of course I want to have some fun and play with it with you guys. Let's go ahead and get the box. That's already open. I already opened it. I didn't swatch it, but I opened it. I was like, I'm gonna just go ahead and swatch it on the camera. Got my Ulta thing. Okay, so they're at Ulta now, and I'm so happy. Either way it goes, I mean, they have their own website, and they're still at Ulta. I got my Juvia's palette. This is the Masquerade Mini. And I'm like, this is pretty huge. Like, look at my face and look at this box. I'm like, if this is the mini, what the hell does the big one look like? Because this still is pretty big. Let's go ahead and open it. So yeah, I'm like, this is really beautiful. It's like a matte cover, and I'm like, this is the mini. I'm like, damn, Juvia, girl, you got it. You got it. I'm like, this is the mini. What in the hell does the normal size look like? Wow, this ain't no mini in my mind. Okay, this is a medium, girl. This is really nice. Definitely excited to try this now. I'm gonna do a couple swatches because I'm super, like, I just literally want to touch it. So I'm gonna pull my sleeve up and I'm gonna go into Zola. This is called Zola. This is like a pretty turquoise blue. Oh my god, y'all. I'm like, damn, I don't even want to touch it. It's so perfect and creamy AF, bro. Juvia. When I get so excited to get new palettes because I'm like, god damn, some formulas can be dry, some can be chalky, y'all know how that goes, but I'm like, this perfection. And I'm gonna go ahead and swipe this on my, oh shit. I've done a blue like this before. This is so beautiful. I'm like, god damn, this is so beautiful. Oh, ew. Okay, I sound like a damn cat. This is so pretty. And then I'm like, this green. God damn, girl. I'm like, ooh. She is not playing. Trying this out for myself. And the formula, it looks stunning. It's so perfect. Like, it's literally perfect. Like, I'm not even kidding. When I say pigment, like, this is on a whole nother level. I'm dying to try Bori. So, I'm so sorry. This is Zola. This pretty turquoise blue. This kind of electric blue. This is like royal blue. This is Dahlia. This green is Mali. And this dark purple is Chi or Chai. C-H-I. So I'm gonna go in with this pink shade right here. Oh my god. Y'all, this is making me love makeup even more. I'm like, god damn, Bori. That's like a Barbie pink. And then of course there's like metallic shades down here with the gold and the browns, the matte. Well, wow, that's, yeah, I'm a sucker for like gold colors. Let me go ahead and pull this sleeve up. I'm a sucker for gold colors. I love neutral tone colors, and that is like a orangey copper color. That's so pretty. And that's called Casablanca. This is pretty. This is more of a matte texture. The other textures were really creamy, and that's like a burnt orange brown color. I really want to try this one, Calabar. Oh my god, Juvia, you're like perfect. Look at that. That's like a maroon, like a metallic-y dark maroon pigment is I'm like, damn. Okay, so I'm dying to put this on my damn eyes. This palette is screaming, try me on, and I'm dying with all these colors on my arm because the formula is perfect. I'm like, I don't even know. Okay, so I'm thinking of doing something on both eyes. So let's just shoot for the stars, y'all. So I'm gonna go in with my AOA Studio eyeshadow brush, and I'm gonna take this color called Zobo because I do want to do purple, and I am going to put that on. That's so pretty. I'm gonna go ahead and put that on my eyelid, so just bear with me. Ooh, goddamn, that's so beautiful. So I'm gonna put that across my eye. I'm like, damn, Juvia, you was not playing. When you said, give me pigment, you literally meant give me pigment. I'm here for this color, girl. I'm here for it. I'm gonna take this up a little bit further. I'm gonna get this brush right here from AOA, and then I'm gonna go ahead and dip into this shade called Calabar, this one right here. I dipped into that one first, which is Zobo, and Calabar is next. I'm gonna go ahead and put that into the crease and just blend that inside of the crease. Y'all, Juvia is not playing no games. I'm gonna go ahead and take this blending brush and go ahead and blend these two out in a circular motion and drag it upwards. So I'm gonna go ahead and go in with a flat brush, and I'm gonna take some concealer, and we're gonna go ahead and create a cut crease moment because that's what we want to do. So what I did was I blended Zobo, Calabar, Makita, and Chai together to kind of give it that gradient effect. This is the first eye that I did. The second eye that I'm going to do is, I want to use some of these golds, some of these bronzes, some of these, because I'm more into colors like that. So I'm going to go ahead and go into Dahlia. I'm going to go ahead and blend that in my crease. So beautiful. I really love that color. And then I'm gonna go ahead and go into another color called Burkina. I think that's what it is. Yeah, it's called Burkina, which is like a toasty brown color. And that, I'm gonna go ahead and drag that along my crease as well. I'm gonna go ahead and go in with the color Zulu after I have those colors blended out, and I'm gonna glide it inside of the crease as well. These are so beautiful. After I have Zulu in there, I'm gonna go ahead and go in with Ada. This is a very pretty color. Damn, this is so pretty. I'm gonna go in with Ada, and I'm gonna go ahead and press it into my crease. After I have Ara, I'm gonna go ahead and go into Fulani. I'm literally using all the browns. Once all of those colors are blended together, y'all, I'm telling you, I literally used Dahlia, I used Zulu, I used Burkina, Ada, and Cairo. And I used all of those and blended those together. I just stacked them one below each other and just blended them together. So I went ahead and threw on some liner, some lashes, some highlight, and I love the little purple sunset moment. I love the gold, the soft brown, and I just love it all together. I popped a little bit of Dahlia in the corner right here. I also used Dahlia as a highlighter for my nose. It's really, really beautiful. I'm looking like goddamn Juvia. I'm about to go shopping and get the whole damn collection because it's that serious. I love it. So this is definitely a staple in my favorites. Of course, I will be using this. I really love this damn palette, Juvia. Oh my God, and my hair is so jacked up, but it's okay. I'm so excited that I have this palette. I'm so excited that I bought it, and it just all came together. So we have the subtle gold side, and we have the purple side as well. I'm like digging this color. I'm definitely gonna have to do some looks with the greens, the blue, and the pink. But until then, this is the look that I came up with. I hope you guys will enjoy this, and thank you so much for watching. Do not forget to click the subscribe button and join my team. Like I said in the beginning, it would mean so much to me if you did that for me. And I will see you on the next video.